Hello, citizens of the world. We are anonymous.
But you to me, you need to. You know, I want to show uri boyfriend. Hello Joshua. Hello, my dad is dead. I don't know what I'm gonna do. He's dead? Yeah, he's dead. Oh my God. I'm so sorry for the death of your dad. Oh, same to you, Joshua. I'm gonna happy birthday, same to you as if we are born on the same day. Happy Valentine's Day. Hey, Oguchi. Hey, can I ask you a question? Honorable Louise Mushichua is leading the French language in the whole world. Yeah, it is. And Joshua wants to read Rwanda language in our country. Join the two sentences beginning with, in spite of the fact, and end with no sooner. Let's go.
In spite of the fact that Joshua wants to learn Kinyarwanda in Rwanda right now.
He's a manager. Hello, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you, and you too.
Hey, Jojo, se wanje woniye. Okay, you too. Okay, if communication in English changes to communication, television changes to television, what about forestation? Let's go, please. Congratulations, English is a problem here. Cyongereza kiragora. Naye wonye muri Miss Rwanda. Kandi kakubwiza ikintu kimwe kugira ngo umenye umukobwa wize n'umukobwa utarize. Umenye iyo yagusuye muri ghetto. Umukobwa wize ni kakandi kaza muri ghetto. Honey, I feel I want to go to the toilet. Do you have a toilet paper? No, I don't have. So what will I use? You know what? Let me send somebody to the boutique. Then brings it for you. You know what that is? Ni wamutoje. Naye rekuwe n'igikobwa kitize. Sheri ngo numva kujya kuri wese namba aho dusomara. Nsoma nese urambwira ko ndi bukoreshe nese ya televiziyo si yawe ni yanjye nese igikarito wayiguriyemo kiri hehe umukobwa ntabwo yize akwibutsa bya bihe bya kera urabizi kera natwe pepa z'abagabo hari methods twakoreshaga hariyo kubyo bita gusarawundinga kuri wese ukareba inguni ya wese iyo bita sliding hari noneho watozwaga na mama wawe iyo bahitaga ikimodoka mama akabanza akaguhereza theorem mukapurika arakubwira ubanza ukafata imyenda yawe ukayishyira hano then warangiza ukajya hasi ugatwara ikimodoka ukanezerwa ukanavuza n'amahoni ukamenya ko ubutaha ugomba kuyikoresha iyo method ukaza ugatwara wahura n'akabuye imbere ukamenya ko yari dodani ugataruka Ariko ambutiyaje n'imbere bikaba ngombwa gukata ku ruhande. Ambutiyaje iyo mpamvu nshimira Imana yaguye mu bukene n'izina ry'Imana. Metarizi ahantu ushobora kumenya umukobwa wize n'utarize umenye iyo wamusohokanye muri hoteli mwasohokanye muri Kigali Convention Center mwasohokanye muri Serena aho ngaho umenya umukobwa yarize akenshi nta cyongereza baba bazi kandi ziriya menu ziriya liste ziba ziri mu cyongereza cyangwa igifaransa reka usohokane n'utarize menya abayireba nk'uri kwireba kuri liste y'itora uzi ko banshize ku munsi kugereka nayibonye muri Miss Rwanda harimo abakobwa batandukanye bamwe bari bazi icyongereza abandi batakizi bahuye ni mwiza Megan aratangiye what can we bring for you? What have you ordered? Do you have chicken burger? Yeah, we have. What about beef burger? Yeah, we have. Just bring chicken burger. What kind of, do you have soft canned drinks? Yeah, we have. Just bring only that. Ara cheese. Reka bahura na mwise neza Josiane. What have you? Why do you want us to bring mwise neza Josiane? Come again, please. Why do you want us to bring? Tukuzanira iki? Urabizi? Tubura kubibatuma bigatinda. Kugira ngo rero byihute nzana n'ibyo ni mwiza Megan mwamuzaniye. Icyongereza n'indaje. Uretse ko na papa nawe icyongereza kijya kimugora sometimes. Ni umuntu utazi Instagram nagaza aba followers. rimwe nigeze kumubwira papa mfite 10,000 biri kunkurikirana waribye papa ni Instagram waribye icyo mubaye 10,000 byose rimwe nigeze kumubwira nagaza n'amagambo in front of na behind of so rimwe nigeze kumubwira nkoropa imbere y'urubaza nkoropa inyuma y'urubaza ariko uburyo yabishyize mu cyongereza biri funny nakoropa imbere inyuma sinakoropa ndamusuzugura ariko uburyo yabigiraga mama Joshua no mwana atangiye kunena byageze bitese. Yesterday I told him to mop before and after veranda. He didn't do that. What did he do? He mopped it before and left it after. So mama na wana mureba aravuga, you know, muhereze forgive us. Utani yongera uzamukubita. Iyo niyo famille turimo. Ariko mba nicaye muri salo kumva papa arahamagaye. Turi nka batatu. 1 2 3. Both of you come here. We are already 3. Abantu batari kubyumva shabazi ko ibyo ndi kuvuga bini nyabyo kandi ni mbogo nyazo. Mama ntabwo uri kubisobanukirwa. Translating salamu alaikum. You know, icyongereza ni dani. Njyabibona sometimes nanone ikintu naje kumenya. You know, I do study techniques. Have you ever enjoyed sex? Ngaho baravuga icyama kagakomereza ako kanavuze. You know, hari ikintu kijya kinangaza kenshi. Reka mbanze nshimira abantu bari single, ndabona hano ku ntebe. Are you single? Ufite umukunzi nta mukunzi ufite? Nta mukunzi. Ufite imyaka ingahe? Cyo ni ikibazo. Happy Valentine's Day to those who are single. Ndabizi ubu na mama ntabwo yawucelebrate uno munsi. Thank you. Now we will celebrate because I remember in 2016, I think, it was Valentine's Day. I went phone where my mom was seated, worried about that. I asked, Mom, it's Valentine's Day, you have to celebrate. Joshua, these days your father is no longer romantic. For him, he takes Valentine's Day like a hope to remember, then it's done. Because for me, it's value. Sometimes almost now when I'm celebrating, umukobwa twahuriye muri Seka live y'ubushize arambwira Joshua I really love you, you know, I don't know what I can do. Amereza na 5K for the love. Ndavuga really umwana ibintu bijya akajya kunyweza bya bindi, you know, message telefone ndazimweza na amereza izindi. We started chatting via messages ibintu nk'ibyo. No, that message za VIP. How do you see Miami Beach? How do you see Kigali Convention Center? Because no zamanejeka. Urambwira girlfriend wa honey, could you mind if we take a visit to Gishwati Forest? Gishwati murashaka iki? Mujye gukina long time. You know? Via message ziri VIP. So, reka umunsi ugere Valentine's Day turahura. Muhereza indabyo honey. Happy Valentine's Day. Joshua, are you running out of your senses? Happy Valentine's Day. But you said you love me. Who loves who? You loving me. Stupid, Joshua. I don't know what you're doing. You loving me? When did I say that? Don't you remember the other day when you have a second life? You know, you gave me 5K. You said you love me. I said I love you. Ndavuga reka nikunda gitangira gukundana n'undi mukobwa. We musanze abanyamusanze ntago bari romantic. Nje niyo mpamvu nkunda abazungu. Buryo uzariho umuzungu yari kumwe n'undi muzungu ino bari kureba filime tuvuga urugero nko kuri ino bari no kuburi bari kureba movie. Ibintu biba biri romantic, you know, bari cyaye bari kureba movie. Honey, how do you say that movie? It's really romantic. I really love it. But honey, I like that position. It's really wonderful. You like that position? But it's kind of complicated. You mean it's complicated? No, it's not complicated. Let me show you how to do it. You know, don't you know dog style? Yeah, I know. So you just do like this, you bend. Then you go behind. The guy here is enjoying the joke. You know, you do it. So, ndani sokana n'umunyamusanze. Tugiye kureba filime mu muki, nishura yanje. Turimo turareba movie kumenya ko batari romantic, mwe murareba abantu babiri barimo barasomana. Sheri, urabona iriya filime imeze ite? Ndabona ari ibintu bisanzwe. Urabona imeze bite? Nanjye ndabona nta kintu gishyashya kirimo rwose. Bari abantu barimo barakora, bari gusomana. Nabwira barimo barakora ibikize. Ndabona ari ibigoryi biriya bintu. Ndabona ari umuhungu n'umukobwa barimo bararwanira sekarete. That's why I love techniques. If you want to enjoy sex, by the way, better join techniques. Everything is in techniques. Muri technique, how can you enjoy sex? In techniques, tuzi ko umuntu yakubiswe n'umuriro, hari methods nyinshi ukoresha. Method ya mbere hariyo bita mouth to mouth muhereza iminwa narayimuhaye n'ibintu byumvikana. Step number 2, let the patient lie down. Murambike hasi n'ibintu byumvikana. N'ibintu biba byiza. Your mouth yikoresheje. Step number 1 niyo nari mubwiye. Let the patient lie down. Step number 3, remove all that thing on her body. Nasanze kayise yambari yo kwa murokore nkuramo. Step number 3, pump. I pump the girl. Pop. That's why I like the techniques. And another thing I have loved there's one thing that really again in this starting if you are like a soldier, then you get married with a soldier. How are you going to command your wife when you're on bed? How are you commanding umugore wawe mu gisirikare? Umugore wawe nizere ko position zose wazizi. Position tugiye kwiga uyu munsi bayita utani. Ugatangira commanding umugore wawe. By the center. Yongeye reka bisimbu. Umugore wawe. Move to the left. Umugore kabawutanira pa. Umugore wawe ndikire mu kinyarwanda wayumvishe. Tembe ya nyuma umugore akajya pa. Umugore wanjye nagariza iyo tugiye kwiga tugiye kuyita quick match. Umugore wawe. By the center, quick match. Left, right. Change steps. Change steps. Of course, the wife has to cry. Change steps. Attention. Oh my God. Attention. Thank you so much.
Hello, citizens of the world. We are anonymous.